doubt is really important in investing. Certainty will get you killed in investing. Doubt will keep you alive. And so I have strong convictions, but I always have doubt. And I will change my mind in a heartbeat. In fact, one of the things that drives me crazy, people will go on Twitter and they'll comb through my stream and they'll find something that 4 years ago didn't turn out. And they'll say, look, you were wrong. I'm like, dude, I have changed my mind 7 times in the past 4 years. And yeah, I'm wrong all the time. I don't care. Because as Soros said, it ain't about whether you're wrong or right. It's how much money you make when you're right and how much money you lose when you're wrong. And if you have the ability to truncate your losses and make them small, but let your winners run, it doesn't matter if you're wrong. In fact, I argue winners lose more than losers.
100%.
Because winners aren't afraid of acting. Losers are so paralyzed of being wrong that they don't act. So they never win.
That is certainly true in active investing. You know, I take small losses. Why do I take small losses? Because I don't want to take big losses.
Big losses.
You know,